Solar panel arrays on new homes must include pest prevention during construction to stop nesting, chewing, and damage before it starts. When planning solar panel installation, integrate deterrent mesh under panels to block rodents and birds while preserving airflow and drainage. Choose ultraviolet resistant mesh with 6 to 8 millimeter openings and secure it with stainless steel clips to avoid corrosion and panel lift. Run protective wire guards on all conduit and cable runs, fastening them to mounting rails so rodents cannot chew through insulation and create fire hazards. Treat the lower skirts of arrays and any soffit gaps with durable exclusion materials such as metal flashing or cementitious sealant that resist gnawing and weathering, and ensure sealant is applied continuously without gaps. Inspect racking and mounts for cavities that could become nesting pockets and fill them with foam backer followed by a hard exterior seal so animals cannot create entry points. Keep vegetation trimmed and maintain a clear zone of at least 3 to 5 feet beneath and around arrays to reduce cover for snakes, rodents, and insects while improving airflow and reducing fire fuel. Coordinate these measures with your solar installer early so panel spacing, conduit routing, and array height are designed to accommodate maintenance and future pest control treatments without costly retrofits. Common mistakes include assuming panels alone are pest-proof, which leads to unprotected gaps and eventual chewing or nesting. The fix is to plan exclusion at design time and use continuous mesh and sealed skirts. Another issue is using non-resistant materials or improper fasteners that corrode or are lifted by wind, so choose stainless steel clips and ultraviolet stable components that match local climate. A third frequent error is neglecting vegetation management, which gives pests easy access. Set a routine trimming schedule and use low-profile ground cover that does not provide shelter. And inspect quarterly during breeding and rainy seasons. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who work on solar and pest prevention and to help contractors find project leads. Our site also hosts a community discussion forum where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and post experiences about integrating pest control with solar panel installation.